With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hi friends, the question is, in which of the following options all species contain XOX bonds in structure? So X is nothing but a central atom. Okay. So here the question given is, we have to find out the species. That is, there are 4 options. In 4 options there are 3 species. So we have to find out which option contain XOX bond, that is metal oxygen metal bond in all the 3 species in a option. Okay, so let's find out by defining its structure one by one. Okay, so let's take the first option. So in first option it is H2S2O5 and then S3O9 and then S2O6 2 minus. Okay, or minus 2. So first let us take the first compound H2S2O5. So H2S2O5 is nothing but pyrophosphoric acid, pyrosulfuric acid. Okay, it is nothing but pyrosulfuric acid, and the structure of the pyrosulfuric acid is nothing but there will be a metal metal bond, that is sulfur sulfur bond, and this sulfur has double bond oxygen, and it also hold double bond oxygen and another double bond oxygen, and here it is hydroxy group, there will be OH. Okay, so if you count the hydrogen it will be 2 hydrogen, and if you count oxygen there will be 5 oxygen and 2 sulfur. Okay, so here there is no XOX because directly metal metal, that is XX bond is present, not XOX, so it is not a answer. Okay, so second option species is S3O9. Okay, so for S3O9 it will be like sulfur. Okay, there will be sulfur double bond O and double bond O, S3O9. Okay, and another it will be bonded to oxygen and it is bridged to another sulfur. Okay, it is bridged to another sulfur, and it is also have double bond O, and then it is also bridged with oxygen. Okay, so if you look at this molecule structure, you can examine the SOS, that is XOX, that is sulfur oxygen sulfur bond is present. Okay, so it has the SOS bond, that is XOX bond present. Okay, so third one, so third one is S2O6 2 minus. So third one is S2O6 minus 2 or 2 minus. Okay, so if you take this sulfur, okay, it is bonded with sulfur metal metal. Okay, and then here it is O minus, here it is O minus. Okay, and here it is double bond O, double bond O, double bond O, and double bond O. Okay, so that is S 2 O6 1 2 3 4 5 6 minus 2, that is 2 minus charge, so or we can write like minus 2. Okay, so if you see here, there is no XOX bond, no SOS. It is only SS bond. Okay, only SS bond, not not XOS bond. So it is not an option. So in the given first option, it is not an answer, as S3O9 only contain the XOX bond. The remaining 2 does not contain XOX bond, SOS bond. Okay, so we have to confirm all the 3 species should have XOX bond. So in this option, only one species contain the XOX bond, so it is not an answer. So let's get into the second option. So second option, it is P4O10, P4O6, H3P3O9. Okay, so next one. So second option is P4O10. Okay, and then P4O6 and then H3P3O9. So here P4O10, first let us take P4O10. So P4O10, so it is quite complicated structure. It looks like complicated structure, but it is not complicated as we view. Okay, so phosphorus, which have double bond O, and here it is bonded with 2 oxygen and another oxygen. Okay, so another oxygen, and this oxygen again bonded with phosphorus and another double bond O, and this is like a chain structure or a bridged structure. Okay, oxygen and then another phosphorus. Okay, so and then here another double bond O and another oxygen. Okay, again this oxygen bonded with another phosphorus, double bond O and another oxygen. Okay, and then this phosphorus again bridged with oxygen and phosphorus, and this phosphorus again bonded with this oxygen. Okay, so if you look at this structure, you can know that it has POP, that is XOX. If you also look at this side, POP. Okay, so here POP. Okay, here POP and the same here POP. So so it has XOX structure. Okay, so it will have XOX, that is POP. Okay, POB bond. Okay, POB bond is present in this, so it contains, okay, it contains XOX bond. So the second one is P4O6. So let us confirm P4O6. So if it doesn't contain, we cannot conclude this as an answer. Okay, so P4O6. So for P4O6, it's similar to like the above structure. P, oxygen, and then oxygen, and then another oxygen it bonded with, and then phosphorus, and then oxygen. Okay, it is again bonded with another phosphorus, again bonded with oxygen, and this oxygen bonded with phosphorus. Okay, so here it is like oxygen, oxygen, and this directly bonded with this phosphorus. So if you look at this, it also confirms the presence of XOS, that is POP. Okay, so here the central metal atom is phosphorus, so POP. Okay, so the same here, POP. Okay, same here, POP, and the same here, POP. Okay, POP. So same here, POP. P4O6. Okay, so it also has XOX. Okay, XOX bond, that is POP bond present. Okay, so it also contains XOX bond. So third one is H3P3O9. So third one is H3P3O9. So H3P3O9. So here again it's like a strain structure. So bridge structure, P double bond O, P hydroxy OH, and it is bonded with another oxygen which is bridged through another phosphorus and another hydroxy group, and double bond O, and then this one oxygen, and again it is bridged with phosphorus, and this again oxygen phosphorus. Okay, so here it has double bond O and hydrox. So if you look at this structure also, it also contains the XOX bond. So like POP. So the same POP. Okay, so here POP and the same POP. Okay, so if you look at this, it also contains the POP, that is XOX bond. Okay, XOX bond, that is POP bond, because P is the central metal atom, so it also contains. So if you look at the second option, P4O10, P4O6, H3P3O9, these three contains XOX. Okay, so all the species in the second option contains the XOX bond. Okay, so it is an answer. Okay, so let us also see the remaining two because we have to know which one contains the XOX bond. Okay, so next to that, N2O5 nitrogen, N2O, N2O4. So the third option is N2O5, N2O5, and then N2O. Okay, N2O, and then N2O5, N2O, and N2O4. N2O and N2O4. So if you look at this, N2O5 NON. Okay, it carries double bond O, and this is O minus, and here it carries O minus. Okay, nitrogen positive. So if you look at this, it has XOX, that is NON. Okay, so for N2O5 it has NON bond. Okay, okay, so we can know that it has NON bond, and another N2O5, so it has XOX bond. Okay, so next is this N2O. So N2O, for N2O it is like N triple bond N O plus minus. Okay, so here there is no NON. There is no NON. Directly it is bonded with metal metal. Okay, so there is no XOX bond. Okay, so it is not a answer. Okay, it doesn't contain XOX. So as it doesn't contain XOX, so it doesn't contain XOX. So we cannot choose this as an option, as all the three species should contain the XOX bond. So here there is the second species does not contain the NN. Okay, so the final one is N2O4 in this option. So N2O4, N double bond O minus plus double bond O. Okay, so here also if you look at this, there is no metal oxygen metal, directly it has metal metal, so it is XOX bond doesn't present here, so we cannot choose this as a option, as it as the two species doesn't contain the XOX bond, so it is not an option. Okay, so it is not an answer. So third one is H4P2O7, H4P2O6 and H4P2O5. Okay, so if you let me draw the structure of the fourth option series, H4P2O7 and then H4P2O6 and then H4P2O5. Okay, so H4P2O7. So first of all, let us look at the H4P2O7. So POP hydroxy, and here another hydroxy, and here it is double bond O, another hydroxy group and another hydroxy group. So there is an XOX bond present here as POP. Okay, so we can tick this as it contains POP XOX bond. The second one is H4P2O7. So H4P2O7, sorry, O6, H4P2O6. So if you take H4P2O6, it is P double bond O, hydroxy and hydroxy, and then this one double bond O, this one hydroxy, and then here it is again hydroxy. So if you look at this, there is no metal oxygen metal bond, rather it contains directly phosphorus metal bond. Okay, so it is not an option. Okay, and the final one is H4P2O5. Third one is H4P2O5. So it look like POP hydroxy, and here again hydroxy, and here again double bond O, hydrogen, and then hydrogen. So it contains POP, that is XOX bond present. Okay, so as a POP, so we can tick, but here in this three only H4P2O7 and H4P2O5 only contains the XOX, but H4P2O6 doesn't contain POP. Okay, so we cannot choose this as an option, as all the species should contain the POP, that is XOX bond. Sorry, not POP, XOX bond. So according to the given question, the answer we determined is P4O10, P4O6, H3, P3O9 contains the XOX bonds. Okay, so this is the answer. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.